how to write a case study. Writing a case study can be a valuable way to explore and analyze a specific problem or situation. Whether you're a student, researcher, or business professional, here are step-by-step guidelines and tips to help you write an effective case study. Step 1. Choose your case. Identify the purpose. Define the goal of your case study. What do you want to achieve or demonstrate? Select a relevant topic. Choose a case that aligns with your objectives and is relevant to your audience or course. Step 2. Research and gather information. Conduct in-depth research. Collect data from reliable sources, interviews, observations, and existing literature. Identify key stakeholders. Determine the individuals or groups involved in the case. Interview them for insights. Step 3. Develop a case study outline. Create an introduction. Briefly introduce the case, its significance, and the main issues. Provide background information. Give context to the case, including relevant history and background. Define the problem or challenge. Clearly state the problem or challenge your case study addresses. Step 4. Present solutions or strategies. Analyze the data. Use data and evidence to analyze the problem. Present different perspectives. Propose solutions. Offer practical solutions supported by evidence. Discuss pros and cons. Step 5. Write a compelling narrative. Tell a story. Write a narrative that flows logically, engaging the reader from start to finish. Use clear language. Avoid jargon and technical language that might confuse your audience. Step 6. Include visual elements. Incorporate visuals. Add charts, graphs, and images to illustrate key points and enhance understanding. Caption and explain visuals. Ensure visuals are accompanied by clear captions and explanations. Step 7. Conclusion and recommendations. Summarize findings. Provide a concise summary of your case study's key findings. Offer recommendations. Suggest actionable recommendations based on your analysis. Step 8. Edit and proofread. Review and edit. Check for clarity, coherence, and consistency. Edit for grammar and style. Seek feedback. Have others reviewed your case study for constructive feedback. Step 9. Finalize and format. Create a consistent format. Ensure your case study has a clear and consistent structure. Cite sources. Include proper citations for all data, quotes, and references used. By following these steps and tips, you can create a compelling and informative case study that effectively communicates your findings and recommendations. I hope this is useful for you. Thank you. Please like and subscribe.